What's up, bro? What'd you do, man?
So I was driving and then I felt it like flat.
Yeah.
It wasn't like
your left tire looks bald. Yeah. Yeah, bro. When you see like when it gets smooth like that, like see how like that it's like worn, like when you start seeing the crease right here, it's definitely worn. This one you might be okay with, you'll get away with like a couple of days, but this one, yeah.
So I don't know. So it was at first. It was like just low on air. I was on the highway, and it looked like this at first. It just got low, and air was coming out from there. I just tried driving home super fucking slow. Yeah. And then boom, the tire came off like right before this exit.
Gotcha. And you have a spare in the car?
Yes. Okay.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, luckily these Audis usually don't have spare tires.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it good right here?
Yeah, you should be fine, yeah.
So how do you want me to pay?
Do you have Zelle?
Yeah, I got
Zelle? Yeah.
You said it was 70, right?
Yeah. I'll send you a link if you can write me a review, bro.
Yeah,
helps me out a lot.
Yeah, I got you. I got a business, so I know how it is. Wait, hold on.
Oh, she can stay in.
She can stay in?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to drive to Mr. Tire, like on Frederick Road. I was just going super slow, and then boom, the tire came off, and I was like, "Oh, I'm on the rim. I can't do anything now." So I was just searching up for like Roadside.
And you found me on Google?
It was either that, or I was just gonna have to leave it here or get a tow or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found you on Google.
Damn, bro, cooked it.
No, bro. I was so fucking worried because I was on the highway when this, like, imagine driving like that on the highway.
Yeah.
I was just right before this exit.
You might be lucky. I can't tell until you take the tire off completely, but I think your rim is okay.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too. I don't think it's fucked up, the rim itself. How long you been doing this?
Full time for like a year. But I've been doing this for like 4 years as a side hustle.
So full time, like, it's just like roadside systems?
Yeah, it's basically this stuff, batteries. Like, I'll do like brake jobs.
So you're doing it full time, too?
Yeah, now I'm doing it full time, yeah.
And you be doing it out your own car for everything?
Yeah, yeah. You're lucky you got the spare, man. A lot of these luxury cars, there's no spare.
Yeah, luckily.
Yeah.
Like I said, bro, if I didn't have the spare, the only option would have been to get it towed.
You would have to get it towed, or I also, I'd come here, take the wheel off, and put a tire on and come back. I do that as well.
Yeah.
Cause I get a lot of like people with Teslas. There's no spare.
Really?
Yeah, and they rip through tires. So like.
Yeah, man. I mean, luckily, like today I had time. If it happened any other day, this would have been so bad.
I got you. Yeah.
Drive home. I have my own work van, so I drive that, and then I drop this at the shop.
Yeah. But yeah, definitely that left tire you need to replace as well as that with that one.
Okay.
I'm gonna check your back. Your back look okay. Yeah, this one looks good.
So one thing that I think was causing it was there was a little bump on the tire. And I don't know if I noticed it on this.
Oh yeah, like on the sidewall.
There was a bump on the sidewall, and it was there before. I didn't think much of it because it was small, and then when I looked at it when it was flat, it was way bigger.
It was way bigger, yeah. Yeah, I mean, anything on the sidewall, you're supposed to replace. Yeah. All right, boys. That is how you do it. Like and subscribe.
You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Yeah, baby, don't you like it? You know your body